Hey there! Welcome back to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher, and today I've got a super useful lesson for you. Ever had data in the wrong format and needed to split it up? Maybe you've got a list of full names, but you need to separate first, middle, and last names into their own columns. Good news! In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to split text in Excel. Text to columns, the classic reliable method. TEXTSPLIT Function, the powerful formula-based approach. Flash fill, the easiest, almost magical way. By the end, you'll be able to quickly format your data like a pro and save tons of time. All right, let's jump in. This is the OG method for splitting text, and it's super handy. It works by splitting text at a specific character, called a delimiter. In our case, we want to split names where there's a space between them. Here's how to do it step by step. Select the data you want to split. So I'll select the full names in column B. Go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns under the Data Tools group. In the wizard that pops up, select Delimited and hit Next. Choose Space as the delimiter, uncheck everything else, and click Next. Select where you want the new columns to start. I'll choose C3 and hit Finish. Boom. The full names are now split into separate columns. Try it on your own dataset. Pause the video and give it a shot. Alright, if you prefer formulas over wizards, then you're going to love TEXTSPLIT. It works just like text to columns, but it's a dynamic formula. Meaning if your data changes, your split results update automatically. Here's how to use it. Click on the cell where you want the first part of the name to appear. Let's say C3. Type equals TEXTSPLIT. Open parentheses. Select the full name in B3, comma, space in double quotes, close parenthesis, and press Enter. And just like that, the name is split into separate columns. The best part? Just drag the formula down, and it works for all rows. Tip. If your data changes later, your formula updates instantly. No need to redo the split. All right. If you hate formulas and just want a quick fix, then this method is for you. Flash fill is Excel's secret weapon. It automatically recognizes patterns and fills data for you. Here's how to do it. In C3, type out the first name manually. In D3, type the middle name. And in E3, type the last name. Now click on the next row, C4, and press Ctrl+E, Windows, or Command+E, Mac. Magic exclamation mark Excel automatically fills down the pattern for you. Repeat this for the middle and last names. Just go to the next column, press Ctrl+E, and Flash Fill takes care of the rest. Pro tip. Flash Fill is great for one-time use, but if your data changes often, use TEXTSPLIT instead. You're now a pro at splitting text in Excel. Try it out now. Pick one of these methods and test it on your own dataset. Leave a comment. Which method do you like best? Let me know below. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more awesome Excel tips.